Hello, everyone, welcome to our channel, Mr. Smart. Today, we have with us a financial expert, Mr. Smart, who will be discussing 7 important rules of money. Hi Mr. Smart. It's great to have you with us.
Hi everyone. Thanks Maya. Thank you for having me, it's a pleasure to be here.
Great. To start off, can you tell us about the first rule of money, which is, mind your own business?
Sure. Mind your own business means focusing on building your own business and generating passive income, rather than relying solely on your job for income. This could mean starting a side hustle, or investing in assets that generate income, such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks.
That's a great point. Moving on to the second rule, learn to budget. How important is this for managing one's finances?
Budgeting is crucial for managing your finances. It helps you prioritize spending, avoid overspending, and ensure that you're saving enough money for your financial goals.
That's fascinating. The third rule is, learn to manage debt. Can you explain this in more detail?
Managing debt means using it strategically to build wealth, such as investing in assets that appreciate in value, rather than accumulating high-interest debt that can be a financial burden. It's important to have a plan for paying off debt and avoiding high-interest loans that can lead to financial problems.
I see. The fourth rule is, protect your assets. What does this mean and how can we protect our assets?
Protecting your assets means obtaining adequate insurance, such as home or auto insurance, and taking steps to minimize the risk of losing your assets. This could include measures such as creating a trust or a limited liability company to protect your personal assets from business liabilities.
That's interesting. Moving on to the fifth rule, create multiple streams of income. How can one diversify their income streams and why is it important? Can you tell us more about that?
Diversifying your income streams can help reduce financial risk and increase stability. This could include investing in different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, or starting a side business that generates additional income.
Great. The sixth rule is, invest in your education. How important is financial literacy for building wealth?
Financial literacy is essential for making better financial decisions and increasing your wealth over time. It's important to continuously learn and stay up to date on financial topics, such as investing, budgeting, and debt management.
Awesome. Finally, the seventh rule is, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Can you elaborate on this and how it relates to investing?
Don't put all your eggs in one basket means diversifying your investments to minimize risk. This could include investing in different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, or investing in different companies within the same industry.
Thank you so much for sharing these important rules with us today, Mr. Smart. This has been an informative and insightful discussion.
Thank you for having me, it was a pleasure to be here.
So, to all our viewers out there, we hope you found this video informative and useful.
Remember, it's never too late to make a change and become the best version of yourself.
So, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have a lot of exciting content coming up on personal development and other topics, and we want you to be a part of our community. And if you have any suggestions for future topics or questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye everyone.